Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A72, and let me show you how to change the date and time in this phone. So at first you need to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and open general management. And here select date and time, so it's the third possibility here. And as you can see, you can either use automatic date and time or you can turn it off by unmarking this indicator. And now you can select time zone. So at first pick the region and then time zone if there is more than one. And here you can customize date and time. So it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Also you can change format of your clock in this panel, so you can either use 24-hour format clock or you can switch to 12-hour format clock, just like this. So that would be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.